your girl Deja, and today we're going to be doing a ponytail with weave, a high ponytail with weave. I just got some straight hair from my beauty supply store. I got this hair. It is the Shake and Go QueMasterMix Malaysian Iron Texture Natural Straight. I got 18, 16, and 14. I want to say my bad. I don't know if y'all have noticed that I haven't made a video. If you did, my bad. What happened? You might be thinking like life happened. That's all I'm gonna say. Life happens, stuff happens, gotta take care of certain things, gotta put certain things on hold. But all that matters is that I'm back. And if you didn't notice that I haven't posted no video within the past 2 weeks, then all right, let's just get into the video. Yeah, I just got out the shower. I'm looking pretty pale. It's about that time where I start getting lighter. Like in the winter I get mad light, and then in the summer I'm like all gold and whatnot, but I'm starting to get lighter if y'all can't tell. But yeah, so I just got out the shower and what? We just gonna get into the video. I'll show the products before I use them, and yeah, let's get into the video. If you see me turn back, I am watching TV, and yeah, let's get into this video. I use headbands for hair ties because they hold real good. So that's what we're using today. Since I'm using straight bundles, I want to make sure that my hair is as sleeked up as oh yeah, y'all, this is not a bald spot. My hair has always been like this, so yeah, don't try to do me. But what's it called? Since I'm using straight bundles, I want to make sure my hair is as sleek as possible. So I did all that to my ponytail so it could lay flatter, so I could braid it down as flat as possible, so when I wrap the hair around it, it doesn't look all fat or whatever. But right now I'm about to lay my edges, then wrap them. I'm about to lay my edges, then wrap my hair so it could set while I'm wrapping the bundles around my hair. Some slight. Like, what? This is looking like mine. My hair is kind of white because it's like, it's a gel. It'll hold your edges. It'll hold your edges, but it'll make you flake, baby. This is cute right here. Alright, y'all, so I am loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Deja's loving it. Yep, period. Okay. So let me just clean up my edges. Even though I'm about to go to sleep, take my booty to bed. Can y'all tell I'm feeling myself? Can you tell? Can you tell? Can you tell? Or can you tell? Here we go. Edges, 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 edges. Pony, pony, pony. Wet. You want a side view? Side view, side view. I actually really like this. This hair, you can't go wrong, baby. You can't go wrong with $25. You can't. You really can't though, for real. Like, I'm not mad at this hair at all. How can I be? So let me just get my life together again. This is probably about to be my go-to style because I've been trying to lay off wearing my wigs because I'm starting to get a little tan line. I don't know if y'all can see it, but now that I mentioned it, y'all can probably see it. But it's going away. I'm starting to get a little tan line, and I've seen people with really bad ones, and I don't want to get like them. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And yeah, if y'all want to see more hairstyles, let me know and I'll do some more. Y'all gotta let me know what you want to see, because if I gotta go to the stove, I gotta go to the stove. Yeah, this is what we working with right now, y'all. This is what we working with. What? But yeah, just to show y'all the movement. It moves. She moves. She moves, period. And yeah, I'm gonna take my butt to bed. I'm acting like it's not like 1:30. So good night, good morning, good afternoon. Have a blessed day.